Unit number 6, Django architecture. Django is often referred to as an MTV framework in the MTV development pattern. M stands for model, data access layer. This layer contains anything and everything about data: how to access it, how to validate it, which behavior it has, and relationship between the data. T stands for template. The presentation layer. This layer contains presentation layer related decisions. How something should be displayed on a web page or other type of document. V stands for view, the business logic layer. The layer contains the logic that assesses the model and refers to the appropriate templates. You can think of it as the bridge between models and template. Here in the diagram we see model view template, response to the browser, URL configs, request, Django. Django was built using the Python and the object-oriented application development language, which combines the power of systems languages such as C, C++, Java, with the ease and rapid development of scripting languages such as Ruby and Visual Basic. Django MSc MUT pattern module template is slightly different from MSc. In fact, the main difference between the two patterns and that Django itself takes care of the controller part, software code that controls the interactions between the model view, leaving us with the templates. User Django URL view model template. Starting development with Django. To create the project directory for your big projects, Django admin.py. Django admin.py start project message. When you create project, it creates following files. Step to create new project, create a project, start application, create a database, MySQL, PostgreSQL, define DB settings on settings, define your models, add pluggable models, write your templates, define your views, create URL mapping, test application, and deploy application on Linux Apache with Python. Here we see the complete flow of Django request and response model in the form of model view and template. The next point is Amazon Web Services for IoT. American international multi-trillion-dollar electronic commerce company with headquarters in the Seattle, Washington, USA, started in 1985 by Jeff Bezos as an online bookstore, but some diverse selling with video CDs, video and MP3 downloading stream software, video games, electronics, apparel, furniture, food, toys, and jewelry. Amazon Web Services is a secure cloud service platform offering compute power, database storage, content delivery, and other functionalities to help business scale and grow. In 2006, Amazon Web Services began offering IT infrastructure services to businesses in the form of web services, now economy known as the cloud computing. Today, AWS provides a highly reliable, scalable, low-cost infrastructure platform in the cloud that powers hundreds of thousands of businesses in 190 countries around the world. What is the Amazon Web Services? Amazon Web Services is a collection of remote computing services, web services that together make up a cloud computing platform offered on the internet by Amazon.com. AWS cloud infrastructure is built around regions and availability zones. Edges. A region is a physical location in the world where we have multiple edges. Edges consist of one or more distinct data centers, each with redundant power, networking, and connectivity housed in separate facilities. The edges offers you ability to operate productions, application, and database that are more highly available, fault tolerant, and scalable than would be possible from the single data center. AWS operates 47 agents with 16 geographic regions around the world with 5 more availability and 2 more regions coming online in 2017. Each availability zone is designed as an independent failure zone. This means that availability zones are physically separated within typical metropolitan regions. Amazon EC2 changes the economic of computing by allowing you to pay only for capacity that you actually use. Amazon EC2 provides developers and system administrators the tools to build failure-resistant applications and isolate themselves from the common failure scenarios. BCT allows creating virtual machines on demand, pre-configured template Amazon Matrix images. EMI can be used to get running immediately. Creating and starting your own EMI is also possible via the AWS model. Amazon Machine Image AMI is a template for software configuration of system application server application. Here we see AMI instance launch instances of the type instance host computer. So instance is AMI running on virtual servers in the cloud. Each instance type offers different computation, different compute and memory facilities. Create an Amazon machine image containing your application, libraries, data and associated configuration settings. Or use pre-configured template images to get up and running immediately. Auto scaling allows automatically scale up the capacity seamlessly during the demand peaks to maintain performance and scales down during the demand boost to minimize cost. Elastic load balancing automatically distributes incoming application traffic across the multiple Amazon instances. It provides tools to build failure resilient applications by launching application instances separately available zones. So here we are seeing Amazon EC2, which is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon EC2 web service that provides resized compute capacity in the cloud. It is designed to make web scale computing easier for developers and systems. The Amazon EC2 simple web service interface allows you to obtain and configure capacity with minimum friction. It provides you with complete control of your computing resources and lets you run Amazon proven computing environment. Amazon E2C reduces time required to obtain boot new server instances to minutes, allowing you to quickly scale capacity both up, down, and your computing resources for change. So it is very essential. Amazon EC2. Next point, Skynet IoT messaging platform. Skynet is an open source instant messaging service platform for IoT. By using the Skynet platform, we are able to save work, ton of work by not having to develop our own communication tools, authentication schemes, or backend service to handle the streams of data. Instead, our devices simply turn on Authentic and connect with Skynet automatically, and we are able to start passing data securely. Skynet is connected to cloud database and IoT devices through communication protocols. This platform has the ability to register network devices to store updates and exchange information. Skynet API supports both HTTP REST and real-time WebSocket. It allows you to register devices on the network. Devices include any type of sensors, cloud resources, smart home services, and tones. When nodes and devices register with the Skynet, they are assigned a unique ID known as UUID along with the secret token. Upon Upon connecting your node to device to Skynet, you can query and update devices on the network and send machine-to-machine messages in RPC scale fashion. Air pollution water. The rapid growth in the infrastructure and industrial plants, creating environmental issues like climate change, malfunctioning, and pollution has greatly influenced for the need of efficient, cheap, operationally adaptable, and smart mounting systems. Air mounting sensor placed throughout the city, sensors and periodic measurement of the air quality data to gateway. Gateway sends information to network where the data is analyzed by the application server, which can be identified zones of concern and provide recommendation. Application server provides information regarding air quality level throughout the city, inducing alert and pollution pattern via the computer or mobile device. Here you can see air pollution monitoring, cloud, internet, users and systems with internet connection, environmental parameters to be monitored, sensors, threshold value, definition time, alarm or LED, sensor data acquisition and decision market, intelligent environment. So data are sensed by the sensors from the environment, threshold value, duration, alarm type, and then provided to the internet. Next point, smart irrigation. In our country, agriculture is a major source of production to the growing demand of a human population. In agriculture, irrigation is an essential process that influences crop production. Generally, farmers visit their agriculture fields periodically to check soil moisture level. Based on the requirement, water is pumped by motors to irrigate respective fields. The smart irrigation system was developed to optimize water use for agriculture jobs. The system has distributed wireless network of soil moisture and temperature sensors placed in the root zone of the plant. Here we can see the smart irrigation model containing web camera, sensor for soil moisture level, sensor for temperature, sensor for ultrasonic, Raspberry Pi model, relay 1, 2, 3 layer, motor and lamp. Wireless transmitter unit WT is comprised of a small moisture sensor, temperature sensor, a microcontroller, RF transceiver and power source. Several WTs can be inputted in the field to form distributed network of sensors. Input to microcontroller is the reading of the moisture sensor and depending upon the threshold value, high or low. If the soil moisture value is below the threshold or the temperature exceeds the threshold value, then the motor is turned on till the levels of moisture and temperature are optimized, otherwise the motor is off. The sensor values and motor status displayed on the Android app. The most important factors for the quality and productivity of plant growth are temperature, humidity, light, and the level of the carbon dioxide. Continuous monitoring of the environment variables get information to the growth to the better understand how each factor affects growth and how to manage the maximum crop productions. Wireless sensor network can form useful part of the automation system architecture in modern era. Sensors are the device which convert the physical parameter into the electrical signal. Soil moisture sensor used to measure the moisture control content of the soil. Temperature sensor used to detect the temperature of the soil. Ultrasonic sensor used to measure the water level in the water tank. Wireless communication can be used to collect the measurement and communicate between the centralized control and the actuators located to the different parts of the greenhouse. Basic factors affecting the plant growth are sunlight, water content in soil, temperature, CO2 concentration. These physical factors are hard to control manually inside a greenhouse, and there is a need for automated design RHS. Data collected from the various sensors is stored on the centralized servers, and this server processes the data. Next point, weather monitoring. A remote weather monitoring system which measures the following weather parameters: daylight using photodiodes as a wide binary switch sensors, humidity using wide analog humidity sensors, temperature using digital bit stream temperature sensors via wireless medium employing wireless RF models. The sensors are the miniature electronic devices used to measure the physical and environmental parameters. By using sensors for monitoring the weather condition, the results will be created. The entire system will be faster and less consuming. The system monitors the weather conditions and updates the information to the web page. The reason behind sending the data to the web page is to maintain the weather conditions of a particular place can be known anywhere in the world. The weather condition is also displayed on the system LCD. Next point, Javeli Cloud for IoT. Javeli is a division of Logmin Inc. Nasdaq Belgium global public company that provides remote access and collaboration products including Rescue, Red Hat, JoinMe, and Copy. The term IoT cloud platform is used for cloud platforms that provide very specific services, protocol support, and web-based tools for IoT applications. Managing cloud IoT network is a highly complicated task. Provisioning, connecting, and monitoring thousands or millions of devices is one challenge, but handling and integrating the large volume of the real-time data and the products is more difficult. To simplify your move to the cloud IoT space, you need a powerful but easy to use IoT cloud platform and that lets you reduce the cost, complexity, and disadvantage of connected business. Heavily cloud IoT platform makes things easy. With cloud IoT technology from Javeli, you can model and develop new IoT products, connect both new and existing quickly and easily. Minimize the complexity and reduce the risk of running a connected business. The data and relationship insight that the data and relationships in insight that can help you deliver greater value to customers. Features of Javeli Cloud IoT technology: blazing fast speed and infinite scalable connectivity of the hardware and software to process messages from millions of devices at sub-second speed. Device management tools for provisioning, monitoring, and updating devices. Authentication tools for managing identities and authenticating devices. Security features that offer end-to-end protection of devices and the data residing on them. Remote device support that enables connected products to automatically communicate problems. VMs providing context that can be used to troubleshoot devices automatically or manually. Support for device cloud that can be used to test new devices. Javeli allows devices to securely connect, to scale, to transmit, and store data. Following is the Python program using Raspberry Pi, which will receive temperature. These are the example of that. So Javeli Cloud allows devices to securely connect, to scale, to transmit, and store it. It's very important. Javeli Cloud. Here are some steps for sending data from device to Javeli. Download the Arduino IDE, install Javeli and HNP client libraries, connect the hardware module to Arduino, log into Javeli and register new device, copy the API key and the feed ID to the clipboard, download the example sketch for Arduino, change the SSID, password, the API key and the PID in the source code, compile and upload the code, debug the program by using Arduino terminal, specify, verify the data storage in Kavli, switch on off the light from the Javeli. Javeli is available for many platforms since libraries for Arduino, Android, ARM, and C, Electronic Map, Java, JavaScript, Objective-C, PHP, Python, Ruby are available. Javeli provides messages bus for real-time messaging management and routing data services for the time archiving, directory services that provide scalable directory of objects and business services for device provisioning and management.